Welcome back to Espresso Outlet, where we bring you the latest espresso machine reviews and comparisons. My name's Dylan, and today we're tackling a big question for home baristas out there. Should you buy the Breville Oracle or Breville Barista Express? Both machines are very popular in the home espresso space, but they cater slightly different needs. Let's break down the key differences in performances and ultimately which one might be right for you. First up, we have the Breville Oracle. This is a high-end machine that's built for those who want the convenience of automation without sacrificing quality. It features a dual boiler, an integrated grinder, automatic tamping, and even automatic milk texturing, which as you see, it also has the temperature of the milk as it's frothing. The Oracle gives you more control over the brewing process, with programmable temperature settings and shot volume, but it also does a lot of the work for you. The dual boiler means that you can pull a shot and steam milk at the same time without waiting for the machine to heat up or cool down. On the other side, we have the Breville Barista Express. This is a more affordable option and one of the most popular espresso machines in its price range. It's a semi-automatic machine, meaning you have more control over the brewing process. It also features a built-in grinder, but there you're responsible for tamping the coffee and frothing the milk yourself. However, this is a great tool and a great espresso machine to learn on if you really want to deep dive into your espresso making. The Breville Barista Express doesn't have the dual boiler like the Breville Oracle does, so you're going to have to wait a few moments between pulling a shot and steaming milk. However, it is a great machine for beginners who really want to learn the art of espresso and milk frothing without too much automation. Now, as you can see from the video, it does take a couple seconds in order for the pump to really truly kick in. But once this pump truly kicks in and you get your pitcher in there, it is super easy to aerate your milk as you are frothing it. Because the process is a little bit slower, it really allows you to really command the amount of aeration that you're putting into your milk to give you that nice silky, milky milk texture for latte art once you finally learn the machine. Now we're just going to wait until the process is completely done from start to finish so you get an idea of how long it truly takes to froth milk on the Barista Express. Now, don't let this scare you, as you really can get high quality cafe style milk texturing with the Barista Express, but it does take a little over a minute to froth your milk. So as long as you're not in a super big rush, you're going to be just fine, and this machine will deliver every single time, as it is great for milk frothing. Unlike the Oracle, the Breville Barista Express does not have an automated purging option, so you will have to purge that steam arm to rid any of the milk that's sitting inside of the wand, and you're also going to have to make sure that you wet your rag and really thoroughly clean the milk off of that, because you don't want milk building up on your steam arm, whereas the Oracle does have that automation of purging, and it also has a no burn steam arm, just to where it is a lot easier to clean it off each and every time. Now, just for the fun of it, let's pour some latte art. So the Breville Barista Express, although you have to wait a little over a minute to froth the milk, it really truly makes great microfoam for latte art. When you truly master the Barista Express, you're going to be happy each and every time you use it in the mornings. It is absolutely delicious. So now let's look at comparisons of key features. First, we're going to look at the Breville Oracle. Its price is around $2,200. The automation allows you to grind, dose, tamp, brewing, and even steaming the milk for you. It's got a dual boiler, and you have more control over the temperature, pressure, just letting you fine-tune your espresso shots to a greater degree over the Breville Barista Express. Now let's take a look at the Breville Barista Express. Its price is coming at around $700. You're pretty much for automation doing everything manually. It's got a single boiler, And the customization options are grind size and temperature to a certain degree, up or down temperature 2 degrees. When it comes to espresso quality, both machines are capable of producing great shots. The Oracle's automatic tamping and precise pressure control makes it easier to consistently get well-balanced espresso. The Barista Express, while more manual, still delivers excellent shots once you get the hang of dialing in your grind and tamping properly. Now let's get into the topic of milk frothing. The Oracle's automatic milk frother is very impressive. You can set it to the desired temperature and even the texture, and it just takes care of the rest. If you love silky microfoam milk for lattes or cappuccinos, but you don't really want to go and learn how to manually steam, the Oracle has you covered. It is so easy to also use the Breville Oracle, as the Oracle is super easy to clean and it's got a no burn steam arm. So when you're done frothing, you simply just lift up the hot steam arm, wipe it off, and it even auto purges when you set it down, as shown in the video here. It makes it for easy cleaning, almost virtually no maintenance required, and it's just a breeze to use. So for fun, let's get some latte art out of the way. So I would say that the milk texture is really good, especially when you're drinking it. However, when pouring latte art, it does do a little bit thinner of milk, but you can control this by the simple feature on the machine itself. If you're someone who wants the best of both worlds, automation and customization, and you have the budget for it, the Breville Oracle is hard to beat. It's perfect for those who want consistent cafe quality drinks with minimal effort. The built-in automation for both espresso and milk frothing makes it ideal for what you're looking for is convenience. On the other hand, if you're on a budget and you enjoy the process of making espresso manually, the Breville Barista Express offers incredible value. It's a fantastic entry-level machine for both the home barista who wants to learn the craft and still produce great coffee at home. Thanks for watching this comparison here on Espresso Outlet. Be sure to hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon for more espresso machine reviews and tips, and as always, catch you in the next one. Peace.